The billing process has also been very easy because it's all on the dashboard. It will say upcoming payment due on this day, and then it will say click and pay now. As a busy mom who's running around doing a million things that can't always remember what to do and what day to do it, the fact that it just shows up right on the dashboard, reminder, June 1st, you have a payment of X amount, click here, pay now, done.
It was really helpful to have the records at the end of it all, because you start with a budget in mind, but then so many things come in piecemeal, and this got paid over here, and this you end up owing many different vendors money, and so like putting it all together and tracking back to the ultimate budget we had set was super helpful to have one place for the majority of it.
It was really seamless because now I have an easy record of everything for one thing, so it's sort of like when we're in the thick of it, what have we paid, what have we not, what was that last payment for? I have an easy record of it all.
Our favorite thing to do is get paid. It's as simple as just clicking a button, creating an invoice. They're able to pay online when they get the link or do a bank transfer, whatever's easier for them.
The software is impressive and no surprises. I can see all the line items. That helped a lot, having those details.
Invoicing on the Houzz Pro client portal was simple. You get the email notification that you have an invoice to be paid that linked to the actual invoice itself, and the payment process was exactly what you would expect with any online payment.